देख रहे हैं NNC न्यूज।
Seek some few clarifications from the Honorable Chief Minister Saab regarding this skill development bill and the skill university which has been proposed by the government, sir. Sir, firstly, इससे पहले कि मैं अपने सवालात को आपके जरिए हुकूमत के सामने रखूं, I have trained 2.5 lakh women, and every 6 months, sir, we have a course. We have a course of a spoken English. We have computer course. We have fashion designing course. We have a sewing course, multimedia course, GST course, accounting course, and we have some 22 courses where it has the scissors, the brush, the hair dryer and everything. Mehndi designing, sir. Hyderabadis, we have also Mehndi designing, so we provide that also. So there are many courses, so I have a good knowledge in this, sir. And at the same time, sir, the MIM party runs 2 hospitals. Sir, in that 2 hospitals, the teaching hospital. Sir, in collaboration with my trust and university was there, then later on it was named as Vyas, now in Andhra Pradesh. Sir, after the formation of Telangana, we have been repeatedly requesting the health university to start such courses. Sir, now what is happening is that, sir, what we need to take into consideration, and the important point is that, sir, a student, they are too short. The problem arises is what, sir? There are many courses which are not recognized by the Government of India. And after, sir, Health University is also offering a course. They started, I went and I met the VC, I requested, gave a letter, then they said, sir, we'll start BSc Lab Technician, BSc MRI Technician, BSc CT Scan. The problem is, sir, 3 years he has to study. Important. This has not been done. And Honorable Speaker, sir, for your kind information, Government of India is also running such courses. And they are charging fees for that. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs. So what is happening, sir? A poor student is not able to pay the fees and do the courses. That is why what is happening is, sir, many of the hospitals, many of the colleges are giving an unrecognized for 2 years. Interior designing is there. So there are many things, sir. So the problem which I am trying to raise through you and bring to the kind notice of the government is that already there are many centers which are offering such courses, sir. Like, sir, I am not against this bill. I am not against it. The reason for me demanding my party to be given to select committee is that, sir, many courses, also previously in the name of Jawaharlal Nehru Technology Knowledge Center, sir, crores of rupees are being given and spent. So are you going to stop this? Or are you going to continue this? This is the question, sir. Department of Youth Services. Sir, Department of Youth Services, like SETWIN and other ITIs, sir, they are also running. Sir, ये जो बेरोजगार
जो बात पूछ रहे हैं, मैं इससे पहले भी कहा, आपके नामपल्ली के एमएलए भी गवाह थे। हम लोग ये जो ITI इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जो पिछले जनरेशन यूथ को सिखाने के लिए, इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग के लिए जो बनाए, आज के तारीख में सिलेबस आउटडेटेड हो गए। वहाँ पर ट्रेनिंग होकर बाहर आए तो बाहर कुछ नौकरी नहीं मिल रहा। इसीलिए हमारे पहले हम कदम उठाए, जहाँ पर ज़्यादा बेरोजगार, जहाँ पर गरीब लोग रहते, जहाँ पर जिसको नौकरी का ज़रूरत है, जिसको ट्रेनिंग देना है, नामपल्ली में 4 इंस्टीट्यूशंस के लिए 130 करोड़ से हम इंस्टीट्यूशन एस्टैब्लिशमेंट के लिए मैं खुद फाउंडेशन पे गया, मैं, हमारे श्रीधर बाबू जी और आपका एमएलए नामपल्ली भी उस दिन थे, पूरा दिखाए, मतलब एक्चुअल क्या रोबो डिग्री सर्टिफिकेट विथ एडवांस्ड टेक्नोलॉजी. वी आर डूइंग ए बेटर जॉब फॉर आवर अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ. तो इसीलिए मेरे दोस्त से, अगर आगे आपको और कुछ डाउट है तो आप शाम को 4 बजे वहां पर आ जाओ भैया. उसके बाद हमारे मंत्री और हमारे ऑफिसर्स भी मैं बोलता हूं, कंप्लीट आपको जो जो ऐसे डाउट्स है, पूरा डाउट्स हम लोग क्लियर कर देंगे.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I welcome बंद नहीं होगा. Sir, I started by saying that, sir, the diplomas which are being given are not recognized. Now that you are establishing this university, you can link these courses with this university so that a certificate issued by the CETWIN is also recognized. So this is what I wanted to say. Affiliate them. There are many centers which are offering such courses, advanced technology centers of ITI and other courses open. These skill centers are very useful for our students. There is no doubt, sir. Tata Technology Limited will also assist in securing employment for these trainees. The project was launched by the Honorable Chief Minister, as he had just mentioned, sir, at Mallepalli ITI, sir, in the month of June. The total cost for this public-private partnership project is 2,324.02 crores. सर, मैं अफसोस के साथ मैं किसी पे तनकीद नहीं कर रहा हूं. सर, हमारे पास अगर घर बनाने के लिए मेस्त्री आता है, तो मेस्त्री या तो ओडिशा का रहता है या तो बाहर का रहता है. सर, तेलंगाना में हमको मेस्त्री भी नहीं है. सर, नेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन, सर, ये गरीब जो जाहिल लोग हैं इनको कर सकते हैं. सर, बड़ाई कारपेंटर, बड़ाई जो बोलते हैं कारपेंटर, आई एम गिविंग जस्ट स्मॉल एग्जांपल्स. दिस इज व्हाट इज माय सबमिशन, सर. सर, when we say electrician, plumbers, these are also very shortage, sir. Sir, any state's economy first backbone as far as India is concerned, it is agriculture, sir. But the real estate is also one of the biggest factor, and so much of construction is coming up, and unfortunately we are unable to generate employment to our own children. On page number 21, members representing the SC/ST community will be nominated, sir, by the Chancellor. Sir, my submission through you is that, sir. Sir, why only SC/ST, sir? I am not against them. Good. What about OBCs as members? What about women as member? What about minorities as member? Why can't we have them? Sir, so minority colleges have the right to administer and run the college, sir. But the university people, they say that a selection committee has to be there, wherein a technical education department will one have, education department will one have, one member from minority college can sit there and they should interview and they should select. We went against that, saying that this is interfering in the minority rights. बताइए सर, आप फीस रिएम्बर्समेंट सारे लोगों का नहीं करेंगे. सर, फीस रिएम्बर्समेंट में भी एक लेयर है, एक अमाउंट है. अगर इससे ज्यादा उसकी कमाई है तो गरीब को नहीं होगा. If you have to see the accounts as to the amount the government is spending, that is why I am saying, sir, if you bring all the departments which are offering such courses in one umbrella, और सबको पैसे देने का इनको देकर तरीके से आई एम सेइंग, सर, कि आप इतना अमाउंट अगर खर्च रहे हैं, आप सेटविन में खर्च रहे हैं, दूसरे आईटीआईज में कर रहे हैं, टाटा के साथ आप जाकर उनके साथ स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, अब ये यूनिवर्सिटी में भी स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. 50,000 इज अ वेरी बिग अमाउंट, सर. सर, लास्ट ईयर आई स्टार्टेड जूनियर कॉलेजेस. सर, इन जूनियर कॉलेज आई जस्ट टेक 15,000 fees. I am taking fees, sir. 15,000. NEET, free. Tuitions for 5 months is free. But still, sir, this can be sent to the select committee. Sir, also 17 आप दिए हैं, सर. उसमें एक very important एक सेक्टर को आप भूल गए, सर. Sir, National Institute of Fashion Technology. Sir, kindly include that, sir. Include National Lift also, sir. Sir, the state government has given a land, they constructed. Sir, why not NIFT also been brought? We have French, Spanish. Sir, in Germany, sir, education is free. For higher studies, if one student from Telangana wants to go to Germany, the compulsion is that he should know to speak German language. Sir, in this skill developmental program, we can also have this. One foreign language can be taught. We can come in collaboration with the French embassy, the Spanish embassy, and also we can also come. Sir, ये छोटे-छोटे नौकरियां हैं. आज हम घर बनाते हैं, देखते हैं मेस्त्री ओडिशा से है, वो कारपेंटर राजस्थान से है, फॉल सीलिंग वाला यूपी बिहार से है. क्यों हमारे पास नहीं हो सकता, sir? So I hope that, sir, without feeling offended, sir, I thank the Honorable Speaker Saab for giving me this time, sir. I wish my best of luck, and I would also like to say that wherever my services are required,